welcome back to I'm Not Lost, I'm Exploring. Let's go explore Beltzville State Park's Sawmill Trail.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to I'm Not Lost, I'm Explorer, and we're going to continue on our Beltzville series. Today we're down here exploring the Sawmill Trail. So far it's a pretty easy hike. It's supposed to be pretty simple, pretty laid back hike. Sounds like the Pohopoco or Big Creek is really running pretty good. You can hear it from where I'm at now. So continue to check this place out and hopefully we see some waterfalls. Alright. Exploring the historic Sawmill Trail at Beltzville State Park. Tucked away in Beltzville State Park is a trail full of history and hidden ruins. This is definitely one of Beltzville's lesser known trails, but it has some really cool surprises. The trail length is about 2 miles. The terrain is mostly easy, but it can definitely get muddy. You can expect to pass through forests, see some small waterfalls, and pass through historical sites. The best time to visit is definitely the fall and spring, avoiding summer bugs and overgrowth. The history of the trail passes through an old sawmill site, which definitely took part in shaping Pennsylvania's early industry. The slate quarry, remnants of Pennsylvania's slate mining history, and a stone mill race that helped power the sawmill. You'll pass by ponds, wetlands, streams, once used for industrial purposes, now reclaimed by nature.
So far it looks like this trail follows an old roadbed. According to the website, this was an old logging camp or an old mill. So we're gonna go back and see if we can see any ruins. And so far this park has just been beautiful.
Some of the wildlife we encountered along the trail were squirrels and turkeys, which you'll be hearing in a few seconds.
Hope that's coming through on the camera. Alright, so I guess we're still on a roadbed, but the forest has changed quite a bit. As you can tell, this area has been logged. But seeing some old or some new growth here. Some foundations of some type here. Looks like probably a fence or retaining wall of some kind. So I'm betting there was property back here at one time. Have to check that out on the way back. Didn't realize this was right here. We're actually standing up on part of that wall. There's some ruins right in there. Looks like maybe a chase. We'll get down and check them out a little better. And you guys can probably hear the waterfall now. So I'll take you down through these steps. Ruins. This is my first time down on this trail. So far it's very pretty. Some of the walls collapsed here. There is some sort of a walkway here. And that's the area we just came down from. Some more ruins right here. It's like a chase of some kind. Let's head down to the creek. We can find a new fishing spot. So, heading back to the waterfalls on the Sawmill Trail. It's definitely muddy. So far this trail has been absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see this in the fall or in the spring. Even the summer, I think I might come down in the summer just to walk this once or twice, but you guys can probably hear right now we're getting very close to the falls. So I'm gonna turn you guys around. You gotta see this. It is absolutely beautiful. So, the cool thing is when you come back and you see that waterfall right over here, there's a few more. Let me turn you guys around. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Beltzville does not disappoint. Wow. So pretty. So there's little, 3 separate little waterfalls right in this little area. Amazing. Wow, guys, that is absolutely beautiful, and it's such an easy hike to get back here. I'm not sure how long this trail is. There is a sign right in the beginning. Wasn't really paying much attention to it. I just kind of wanted to get back here and check out the waterfalls today. I'm gonna head over to Wild Creek Falls now. There is more to this loop, but I think we're gonna head back to the car just because it is a little bit late in the day, and I want to get Wild Creek Falls in as well so you guys can see that. But wow, this place is absolutely stunning. Beltzville State Park has not disappointed. From the beach area, the hardy covered bridge, the fossils, now this. I'm gonna try and give you guys a little peek into the history of this place as well. Before it was a dam, there were some interesting things that went on down here. So I'll probably do that as an overlay, or a voiceover. But this, wow, guys, if you get a chance, get down here, check this place out. Beltzville State Park, like I said, does not disappoint. If there was a camping area down here, it would be perfect, just perfect.
This park just has so much to explore. From the hardy covered bridge, the fossils from 350 million years ago, the slate mine from the 1700s, and the sawmill from the 1800s running into the 1900s. It's just an incredible place to explore.
So I think maybe one of the things that I'm going to do with these trails down here at Beltzville is kind of give them ratings. This is the second trail I did. The first one was the Tree ID trail located over by Pavilion 2. If you guys caught the fossil video, I think it was part 3. Yeah, part 3. So this makes this part 4, 85. I'm not sure how we're going to break this up yet. But I think one of the things I want to do is give these trails like a rating. This one's kind of muddy, but very easy, very flat. Perfect for children, perfect for grandchildren. And very beautiful falls as kind of your reward for a very short hike. So highly recommend this one. So I think now we're gonna go check out Wild Creek Falls. You guys with me? All right, let's go. So like I said, it is pretty muddy, but it's still a beautiful trail nonetheless. That beautiful blue skies back there. And of course, we're heading into those gray skies. But still a beautiful day to be out hiking. I don't think I've ever found a bad day to be out hiking. But I've hiked in the fog, in the rain, in the snow, the sleet. This time of year is definitely my favorite. Everything's starting to come to life again. And there's just beauty all around. Definitely gonna have to come back down and explore down here around the falls a little bit more. There's a bunch of side trails that have me really curious, but I think I have a good idea where we can go and enjoy our lunch. So
I hope you guys enjoyed this trip down the Sawmill Trail. It's a short, beautiful hike, and the next hike we'll be taking will be to Wild Creek Falls. It is a beauty, and you definitely don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys there.